Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale product launch with Kickstarter, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before launching your product on Kickstarter, research your target audience. Identify their interests and preferences. Analyze similar successful campaigns to understand what worked for them. Create a compelling value proposition that clearly communicates your product's benefits. Next, build a solid. This will serve as a visual reference for potential backers. Include high-quality images and videos showcasing your product in action. Craft a detailed project description. Explain your product's features, benefits, and unique selling points. Be transparent about your project's goals and funding needs. Set a realistic funding goal based on production and shipping costs. Consider your target market when determining the amount you aim to raise. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your campaign. Utilize social media platforms to generate buzz before the launch. Engage with potential backers and create a community around your product. Prepare a press kit to reach out to blogs and media outlets. Leverage email marketing to inform your existing network about the upcoming launch. Plan your launch day carefully. Launch when your audience is most active on the platform. Monitor your campaign closely and engage with backers in real time. Respond promptly to questions and comments to build trust and transparency. As funds come in, keep your backers updated on progress and challenges. Promote stretch goals to maintain excitement throughout the campaign. After the campaign ends, focus on fulfilling rewards promptly. Communicate regularly with backers about shipping and timelines. Gather feedback from backers to improve future projects. Evaluate your campaign's performance to learn what worked and what didn't. This knowledge will be invaluable for your next product launch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.